I recently made this incredible bar table using one of these stools, a farm light, and a light up epoxy top. I still have these two stools that need a lot of work, but I think they'd make a great set to go along with the table. These things are really old. They do need some work. These tops, the seats, are busted. They're warped and they can't be used. So I'm gonna have to replace these using this. Hello. Solid piece of wood I picked up at an estate sale. 1 inch thick, 16 inches wide, and 7 feet long. Guess how much I paid for it?
$8.
You're right, $8. And I'm gonna use it to rebuild these stools. Welcome to Alley Picked. I know there's a lot of fancier ways to cut out circles. I've even seen videos where a guy cuts a perfect wood circle using a table saw. That's fine, but I like to use a bandsaw, a belt sander, and then some hand sanding. It may not be 100% perfect, but I kind of like the human touch, so to speak. This is a carving disc. I'll use it to make a little indentation for the posterior. Again, this isn't perfect, but I do like a little bit of a handmade look when working on a 100-year-old antique. This color stain is called espresso. 1 coat wasn't dark enough. Even after 2 coats and dry brushing on that second coat, I let it dry and then applied a 3rd coat to get the stain to the shade that I wanted. After lots of sanding and staining on the base of the stools, I started applying a coat of wipe-on polyurethane. This was a mistake, as the rag that I was using actually removed a lot of the stain color. I had to remove the poly with some paint thinner, restain, and this time I used brush-on polyurethane. That's the ticket. After mounting the seat to the swivel and applying 2 coats of polyurethane, I brought the stools back to Beyond Grandma's House antique store to be reunited with the stool table I made a few weeks ago. Now, these will make a beautiful, one-of-a-kind addition to someone's home.